Imagine, in minutes from now, you could own a global business that dominates $300 billion industry and runs a complete autopilot. Yes, you heard that right. This is something you've never seen before. Imagine your own AI superbrain that builds, runs, and scales on your own plug-and-profit AI tutor business in 100+ languages on complete autopilot. Imagine you own a team of 20+ professional AI tutors that enroll students, teach real subjects like math, physics, chemistry, coding, machine learning, and much more, and collect payments while you sit back and enjoy the profits for a lifetime. Imagine you could step into a blooming $300 billion online education industry with a fully automated business model. Well, imagine no longer, because we have made it possible. Now you could own a fully automated online tutoring business where students from around the world enroll automatically. AI tutors teach every lesson, payments are collected instantly, and the entire business runs 24 hours a day on complete autopilot. No teaching, no creating courses, no hiring tutors, no technical skills required, no hosting required. Just one AI-powered platform that builds and runs the entire tutoring business for you. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Right now, the online learning industry is booming worldwide. Millions of students are turning to the internet every day to learn subjects like math, science, coding, machine learning, data science, languages, school subjects, professional skills like music, and much more. The craze of online learning is so high that the global worth of online learning industry has already crossed $300 billion in 2026 and is expected to exceed $880 billion by 2033. This stat alone is enough to show the huge money-making potential of this industry. But starting an online tutoring business is extremely difficult. Normally, you would need teachers or tutors, course content, a learning platform, payment systems, student management tools, and technical setup, which can make months of building and thousands of dollars to launch. That's why most people never get started. But what if AI could do all that work for you automatically? Introducing a brand new breakthrough platform called AI Private Tutor, the first ever AI superbrain that builds, runs, and scales your own plug-and-profit tutor business in over 100 languages on complete autopilot. Instead of hiring teachers, you get access to 20+ highly trained AI tutors that can enroll students, teach lessons, explain complex subjects, answer student questions, manage learning sessions, help students progress, and collect payments for you automatically. Your AI tutors handle everything while you focus on profiting from the business. Let me show you how simple this really is. First, you log into the platform and activate your AI tutor business. Second, the system automatically creates subjects, lessons, and explanations using advanced AI. Third, students enroll and start learning directly from your AI professors. And finally, payments are collected automatically while the AI runs the entire tutoring system. That's it. Your AI tutors continue working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when you're offline. Inside the platform, you get access to 20+ AI tutors trained to teach real subjects. These AI professors can deliver structured lessons, break down difficult topics, guide students step by step, and answer questions instantly. The best part? They can teach in over 100 languages, which means students from anywhere in the world can learn through your platform. So instead of being limited to one country, your tutor business can reach a global student market instantly. Think about how powerful this is. Traditional tutoring businesses need multiple teachers, large teams, expensive platforms, constant management. But with this system, your AI professors do the work for you. You can serve thousands of students at the same time without hiring anyone, without increasing costs, without creating lessons yourself, without any hosting. This turns your tutor platform into a fully automated income machine. And the best part, this platform was designed for beginners. You don't need to be a teacher. You don't need marketing experience. You don't need technical skills. Everything is already built and ready for you. Just activate your AI tutor platform and start running your own online tutoring business instantly. When you get access today, you receive a fully automated AI tutor platform, 20+ AI professors that teach for you, done-for-you agency website, built-in student management tools, integrated payment gateway, global language support with 100+ languages, built-in systems that turn visitors into paying students, unlimited income potential, 24/7 support, plus a free commercial license so you can use the platform to generate unlimited profits. And here's the best part. You get a solid 30 days money-back guarantee. Try AI Private Tutor for 30 days, and if you don't like it, we will refund all your money straight to your account. No questions asked. But hurry, This opportunity is for early action takers only. You can get access to AI Private Tutor for a low one-time price during this special launch period only. Click the button below to activate your AI tutor business today and step into the fastest growing online education industry. Your AI professors are ready. Your platform is waiting. All that's missing is you. See you inside.